Welcome to the Learning Chinese series. This is the lesson of Chinese Grammar 3, Quantifier for Animal. Enjoy your learning. This is the lesson outline. I will introduce you the quantifier for referring animals 只、头、条、尾、批 in this lesson. 只 is the quantifier usually referring to animal in general, including poultry, insects, reptiles, and wild animals. However, certain animals use different quantifier or more than this word 只. You can see the short orders of the word 只 showing above. Chicken is 鸡. One chicken we say 一只鸡. Duck is 鸭. One duck we say 一只鸭. Goat is 羊. A goat we say 一只羊. Monkey is 猴子. A monkey we say 一只猴子. Rabbit is 兔子. A rabbit we say 一只兔子. Tiger is 老虎. A tiger we say 一只老虎. Mouse is 老鼠. A mouse we say 一只老鼠. Dog is 狗. A dog we say 一只狗. Cat is 猫. A cat we say 一只猫. Bird is 鸟. A bird we say 一只鸟. O is the quantifier usually referring to animals bigger in size. You can see the stroke order of the word 头 showing above. Cow is 牛. A cow we say 一头牛. Lion is 狮子. A lion we say 一头狮子. Elephant is 大象. An elephant we say 一头大象. For animal having long shape, we normally use 条. You can see the stroke order of the word 条 showing above. Snake is 蛇. A snake we say 一条蛇. Worm is 虫. A worm we say 一条虫. Dragon is 龙. A dragon we say 一条龙. For fish, we use 条 or 尾 as the quantifier. The stroke order of 尾 is shown above. Fish is 鱼. A fish we say 一尾鱼 or 一条鱼. D is particularly used for horse and wolf. D can also used for big size of textile or clothes. As we say, 一匹布. 布 is clothes or textile. The structure order of 匹 is shown above. Horse is 马. A horse, we say 一匹马. Wolf is 狼. A wolf, we say 一匹狼.